Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel and welcome to yet another day in my life vlog. So today's vlog is going to be all about my vaccination experience. I finally got a slot. I was hunting for a slot on Covin since the past 1 month. मुझे बहुत सारे पेड वाले मिल रहे थे but एक भी free वाला नहीं मिल रहा था. I didn't want to pay and get the vaccine because I think vaccines should be free A and B. I don't really step out a lot out of my house. I work from home 90% of the times and I'm not exposed to a lot of public places, so I didn't find the urgency to take the vaccine, at least by paying like 1,000-1,100 bucks. So I just thought of waiting a little longer for a free slot and I'm glad I got one today. And this is the only reason why there are like two separate vlogs. Dinkle has uploaded her vaccination experience already, and in case if you haven't checked that out, the link will be there in the description box below. And that's the only reason why we didn't go together. She went with her other friends and she took the paid one and I didn't want to get that. So the good part is that today I have company. My brother also got the same slot at the same time at the same place, so that's great. And also, if you're wondering how I got this slot, sorry, my hair is like super frizzy right now because I just washed it and I'm letting it air dry. Okay, I was saying, if you're wondering as to how I booked this slot, so one of my cousins actually sent me a link of a free vaccination drive that was hosted by an NGO at Jamnabai Narsi School, which is in Villeparle, and I booked the slots through Book My Show. So it was super easy, took me less than 5 minutes to book the slot. And Covin pe to, oh god, it was a task to even like get the OTP. So it was really difficult on Covin, but on Book My Show I booked it really easily. And you can keep on checking. There are a lot of different NGOs that keep on having these vaccination drives, free ones. So yeah, watch out for that. Now let's get ready. Okay guys, I'm all dressed up, did a little bit of makeup as well because why not? I make the most of every opportunity I get to step out of the house and click some Instagram pictures. So just a little bit of makeup, some concealer, mascara and lipstick. And I love my outfit today. I've dressed up all fancy. So let me show you my outfit. Okay, so my neck piece is from Nykaa Fashion. My top is from Urbanic. I love this tie and dye top. It's so neutral, so casual, so comfy. My denims are from Bandra Linking Road. And this watch is from Daniel Wellington. And I'm going to be carrying this bag. This is from Aldo. And yeah, that is my OOTD. Now, let's go. Please stop laughing. Please. Wait. Guys, so we are off. Before we go and get the vaccine, we are going to grab some lunch because वहाँ पे कितना time लगेगा we don't know. It's better to have food and then go. हमारा slot 1 बजे का है, so we will reach in time and there's a lot of traffic as usual. And this is my brother. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Just say hi to the vlog. Okay, so yeah, let's go. We decided to come here at Prithvi Cafe. It is so like khali. यहाँ पे हमेशा बहुत ही गर्दी होती थी. It's so empty. That's weird. But yeah, now we are just gonna order some food and catch up and then go for the vaccine. We've reached the school and there's a line outside over here. They were supposed to start at 1. It's already 1. We've been waiting for like 15 minutes now because they told us to reach 15 minutes prior. So I hope they start letting us in soon. I will keep you guys updated. So we're still waiting in the waiting room. We waited for like an hour downstairs in the heat, and now we are up the first floor in the waiting room. Thank God at least has AC, and now I guess we should be done within like 15-20 minutes. We are done with the vaccine. It was such a smooth process. It took us 2 hours. थोड़ा बहुत waiting था. अभी तो line काफ़ी लंबी है. Can you see over here? But we came on the right time, I guess. And we waited for an hour and a half. And then vaccine तो got done within like 5 seconds, not more than that. People over there were very helpful, so everything went on really smoothly. And now we just hope that हम दोनों को कोई भी side effects ना हो. So I will keep you guys updated and see you in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back home. We came back a couple of hours ago. I rested for a bit because I was really tired because of the heat. But मैं अभी just makeup निकालने वाली थी and I just remembered अचानक से that I have to shoot a branded video which has to go live in like 2 to 3 days. And I was like, you know what, makeup किया हुआ है, बाल अच्छे से धोए हुए, so why not film it now itself, because then afterwards if I have any side effects, I don't think I'll be able to film properly. So yeah, why not make the most use of this glam and this hair. So that's what I'm up to right now. And the update for the vaccine is I'm feeling absolutely fine. I mean, it's been what, like 3 hours only since I've got it done. आर्म में बहुत minor सा pain start हुआ है, but it's extremely minor, very very bearable. So yeah, that's the update as of now. And now let's begin shooting. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel and welcome to yet another video. Bye. So got done with filming, editing and sending it for approval as well. So I'm officially done with work for the day, and now it's time to have dinner. It's almost 7:30. Update, my hand is still a little bit painful, उससे ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है. So all in all it's great. My brother is also all okay, and now I'm about to have dinner. साबुदाना खिचड़ी बनी है डिनर में. That's my favorite. My mom makes the most yummiest, spiciest sabudana khichdi, so I'm like really excited about that. Okay guys, so it's been 24 hours since I got the vaccine and I'm checking in with you all. I'm giving you a major update. So yesterday night my hand ache was still there, but it was manageable and I just slept it. I had a good night's sleep. I took a Dolo before going to sleep just so that I could have like a peaceful sleep, and I'm glad that I did. I directly woke up at like 8 o'clock in the morning and I was all okay. But after I woke up, after like half an hour or so, my head became a little heavy and I started feeling a little feverish. Nothing crazy, like I didn't get any chills or massive crazy fever or anything of that sorts. So I thought of why not take another Dolo. So I took another Dolo and slept for some time, and after that I was absolutely okay. I'm absolutely okay right now as well. So I don't think the fever is going to come back. Now it was very very mild any which ways. The only issue that I'm having right now is my hand ache. Like my hand aches so badly. It is extreme. It's just extreme. I cannot like move my hand upwards like at all. This hand, I just have to keep my hand in like one position. So yeah, I hope that also goes away soon. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. I'm really sorry about this weird angle, but I'm not able to find my tripod and like my hand is aching, so I'm just using one hand and I can't like put my hand as upper. It's just paining a lot. So I hope you all don't mind that, and I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you all did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and also to click on the bell icon to get notified every time we put up a new video. And yeah, stay home, stay safe, and do take your vaccine as soon as possible. And yeah, let me know in the comments what was your experience if you are already vaccinated. So yeah, that was my experience, and yeah, I will see you all very soon. Bye.